Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making chicken ramen. Ramen is a popular noodle soup and it can be as simple as an instant ramen from supermarket or the kind with thick and tasty soup you find at specialty restaurants. Our chicken ramen is something in between and it's very easy to make with simple ingredients. These are the ingredients. The chicken wings will make the broth really flavorful, and we also use the meat for topping. For more information and complete recipe, visit our website japanesecooking101.com. First, we're making the soup. In a large pot, put chicken wings in water and bring to a boil. After boiling for a few minutes, remove any scum and fat that comes to the surface of the soup. Add sliced ginger, crushed garlic, and green onions, and cook covered for about 40 minutes. You can add some more water if needed, and pick up chicken pieces, and we save them for topping later, and strain or scoop everything else. Season with salt, soy sauce, sake, mirin, and sesame oil. You may need to adjust the seasoning a little bit if you added more water, and keep warm on low heat covered. Next, we are going to prepare the toppings. Remove bones from chicken wings and shred the meat into small pieces by hand. Blanch bean sprouts in boiling water for a couple of minutes and chop green onion. Once everything else is ready, we are going to boil the noodles. In a boiling water, cook chukamen noodle according to the package and drain water. Divide the noodles and put in a bowl and pour hot soup over and top with chicken pieces and bean sprouts and green onion. The soup is not heavy and rich like the kind from ramen restaurants. This is the kind of ramen you feel like you can eat often. Hope you will enjoy this as much as we do.
美味しいね。